Hi everyone, I think I am live now. Welcome to my live series on zinc drug interactions and your immune system. And unless you've been under a rock in the last few months, you might have realized that zinc has been in the news quite a bit. In fact, I just did a little Google search just to see what kind of articles were published, and I found quite a few just like in a few seconds. So in February 2020, NPR posted an article entitled "Taking Zinc Can Shorten Your Cold." In May 2020, UPI Health News published an article entitled "Zinc Might Boost Effectiveness of Malaria Drug Against COVID-19." Another article published in May 2020 in healthsites.com was entitled "Boost Your Immunity with Zinc-Rich Foods Amidst the COVID-19 Outbreak." In June 2020, Medical Daily discussed zinc and its effects in the body. Another article published in June 2020 by health.com was entitled "Zinc Supplements, What to Know If You're Thinking of Taking Them." So you can tell that there's been quite a few articles out there, and everybody rushed to write about it, talk about zinc. And so why do we care about zinc? What does zinc do for our bodies, and is it important to avoid zinc deficiency? And then how do you get zinc deficiency? So today I will go over the first two questions, and then we will tackle every week from now on for the next 5 weeks. I'm going to tackle one, I'm going to talk about what causes zinc deficiency, and in particular I will be focusing on drugs that can lead to zinc deficiency. So every week we're going to talk about a different class of medications that can cause it. So zinc is required for the activity of more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body, and zinc is needed for healthy digestion, it's needed for healthy skin, immune system, even metabolism and nerve health. So today we're gonna focus though on the immune system and how zinc helps with the immune system health. So zinc is vital for the T cells. The T cells are a type of immune cells that are necessary to regulate the immune response in the body. When it basically helps the body to know when to attack a certain infection, if it's a virus or a bacteria or fungus or whatever other type of infection. So basically zinc makes the T cells, it activates them. So according to an American Journal of Clinical Nutrition article, zinc deficiency increases the susceptibility to infections. Zinc also balances two parts of the immune system. There's the Th1 and there's the Th2, and these two parts of the immune system have to be balanced. Otherwise, that's how autoimmune diseases can be born. And so you need a balanced immune system, and zinc does that. And so it decreases inflammation in the body by doing that. Zinc is also a key component of a gene called P53, which is a tumor suppressing gene. So we can see that if you don't have enough zinc, you might be susceptible to getting cancer. And we now know that a lot of cancer types are related to poor immune system. Zinc is needed also for deeper sleep, and the way it's it acts, there's two parts to it. First of all, you need zinc to make melatonin, which we know that melatonin is what helps us basically get tired in the evening once the sun goes down, and that's what helps us go to sleep. But another thing that it does, it acts on a part of the brain that is responsible for the sleep cycles. So, but the part that's even the most important part about the sleep is that when we do not sleep, the immune system doesn't have the chance to do one of its jobs. The immune system has two jobs. One is to protect us from infections, from anything that comes to us, infections, toxins, things like that. The immune system deals with that. But then the second job of the immune system is when we go to sleep, the immune system starts repairing in our body, in the DNA, in the cells, anything that went wrong. So if we do not sleep well, the immune system won't have a chance to do its job to repair. And this is how a lot of chronic diseases are born. Zinc also decreases the duration and severity of colds in healthy individuals, according to a Cochrane study. And colds tend to be viral in nature. So we see that zinc in particular can help with viruses. Zinc also helps to reduce allergy and histamine. So if you don't have enough zinc, you might be more allergic to either environmental toxins, even things in the nature. And we do know that a lot of infections are secondary to unresolved allergies. So there are many more benefits to having enough zinc in our body, but today I just wanted to focus on the immune system. And so we can see that low zinc can really affect our immune system, and that therefore our ability to fight infections, whether they're viral or bacterial or fungal. And so in the next few weeks, I'm going to address what causes zinc deficiencies, and in particular, I will address drugs, classes of drugs that can really affect our system and will prevent us from having an optimal level of zinc, and therefore will put our immune system in danger. So please leave me questions below. I will stay a little longer, and if there are questions, I will answer them. Also, I opened a group, a private group called Drug Nutrient Interactions, and within that group, what I plan to do is answer any questions related to drugs, supplements, vitamins, how they interact with each other. So if you have quite a few of this in your medication cabinet, join my group, and I will be more than happy to address your concerns and your questions. So I hope to see you next week, next Wednesday at 7:30. And I look forward to talk more about zinc, and I hope you are enjoying this and ask questions. See you later. I will stay a little longer and answer questions, but see you later for now.